determine the proper procedure for sizing service entrance underground cable for a 2-position meter socket, firstly determine the ampacity of each meter. The ampacity of each meter is typically the amperage rating of the service equipment being connected. In this case, that's 150 amps. Secondly, calculate the total ampacity. Sum the ampacities of the 2 meters, which is 150 amps plus 150 amps, equaling 300 amps. Thirdly, apply a derating factor if optional. The National Electrical Code may require derating under certain conditions, such as ambient temperature or conduit fill. Consult Table 310.15 (B2) of the National Electrical Code for specific derating factors. For example, if the ambient temperature is 90 degrees Fahrenheit and the conduit is filled to 75%, the derating factor would be 0.70. 300 amps times 0.70 equals 210 amps. Fourthly, select the service entrance underground cable size based on the ampacity. Refer to Table 310.15 (B16) of the National Electrical Code to determine the appropriate service entrance underground cable size for the calculated ampacity. For an ampacity of 210 amps derated, the minimum service entrance underground cable size would be 2 American wire gauge aluminum or 1 American wire gauge copper. Note that the actual cable size selected may need to be increased depending on the length of the run and any voltage drop calculations. Always consult the National Electrical Code and applicable local codes for specific requirements. Additional considerations include the service entrance underground cable should be sized to handle any future load increases or expansion. The cable should be protected from physical damage and environmental factors. Proper grounding and bonding should be maintained throughout the installation.